Gilead Sciences shares have popped by more than 16% in after hours trading on April 16th, Thursday. After details of a closely watched clinical trial of the company's antiviral drug remdesivir shows what appears to be promising results in treating COVID-19 cases. The University of Chicago's Phase 3 drug trial found that most of its patients had rapid recoveries in fever and also in respiratory symptoms and were discharged in less than a week, as per healthcare publication STAT News. The best news, of course, is that most of the patients had already been discharged, and therefore this University of Chicago infectious disease specialist Kathleen Muirland says that there were only 2 patients who passed away. So this is pretty good results and good percentage response. The University of Chicago Medicine recruited 125 patients with the virus into Gilead's 2 late-stage clinical trials, 113 of whom were severely ill. Gilead intends to enroll 4,000 people in these trials. Naturally, they need a larger sample size. There are so far no proven therapies to treat COVID-19, which has infected more than 2 million people worldwide and killed at least 142,148 as of April 16th, according to data compiled by the Johns Hopkins University. Now, US health officials say that producing a vaccine to prevent COVID-19 will take at least 12 to 18 months, making finding an effective drug treatment very crucial. President Donald Trump has, of course, touted remdesivir and, of course, the anti-malarial drug hydroxychloroquine as being very exciting propositions. He has even thanked India for supplying a good quantity of hydrochloroquine and personally called Prime Minister Narendra Modi to thank him for his great humanitarian help. Remdesivir has shown some promise in treating SARS and MERS, which are also caused by coronaviruses. Some health authorities, of course, in the United States, China and other parts of the world have been using remdesivir, which was tested as a possible treatment for the Ebola outbreak, in hopes that a drug can reduce the duration of COVID-19 in patients. Gilead's, of course, clinical trial results involving patients with severe cases of the virus are expected this month, but data on a trial testing patients with moderate symptoms is expected in May. So, all eyes are on the Gilead Sciences and its drug and how quickly we can get more results. This is, of course, test data, but as far as getting the full sample size and different stage trials, people with moderate infection, people with late stage infection, people with early infection, how well remdesivir is able to treat all these different kinds of patients will stand the test of time and will decide how useful this remdesivir can be as a vaccine to treat patients with COVID-19. In any event, the crucial point today is naturally that the stock markets all over the world are rejoicing, but how long can this last? In my opinion, if you were to ask me to forecast Dow Jones and Nasdaq for today, I believe it should be a good day, particularly after 12 p.m. Eastern time. You will find that there would be some more rays of hope and a strong rally on Wall Street could be in the offing today. The clinical trials will continue in Gilead Sciences, and University of Chicago is putting the necessary efforts because these are human clinical trials and therefore they take some period of time. Hopefully we'll have some results, more results shortly in 15 to 30 days. Till then, I believe that good day on Wall Street. After 12 Eastern time, New York time, you will find a very good rally on Wall Street today. Happy investing. Take care. Bye-bye.